honey molasses, ebony majesty, chocolate brown sugar, sweet epiphany. I waited for your call, but you chose not to call me. I wondered what happened. Were you inside a safe space? And two, I wondered, were you thinking about me? And if you were, why was I feeling so lonely? By the phone, alone to the bone. Although the night before you were in my home, my body, my dome. In a circle of passion, we Paris, Italy, Japan, Africa, Rome. We made music. We electricity. I felt so inspired and afraid at the same time. I don't know whether to sing or to rhyme. Call me honey molasses, ebony